Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So I am at Lotus Clock Tower Plaza again and I am heading upstairs to check out what they have in store. It's been a year since I've done a Lotus video, so let's see what they have. So first thing greeted me were these curtains and basket, but I'm heading over to the section where the organization stuffs are first, because as I enter I see a lot of organizing bins, containers, basket. Look at these picnic basket. So as I see this, let me show you guys. This is a cleaning cloth. This can be used to clean like your windows and so on, but not too straying away from the containers. Here they are. They have these picnic baskets, they have these storage carts, they have clear bins, they have flower pots. These are great storage pieces as well that I use under my bed to store like certain sandals that I'm not wearing very often. They have bins, they have these baskets over here, and the prices aren't bad. You have from like $200 up for like these storage bins. The largest storage bins are like for $4,500, $3,000. Over this section you can get like your shower caddy. So they have these shower caddy for like $1,950. So if you're a chrome person, a silver person, they have these stainless steel ones which are rust proof as well. They have them in white, they have the smaller ones, and they have larger ones here. So they have some for like $2,000. They have different texture like quality, so some are more thicker and heavier than some. So if you're looking for a shower caddy to organize your soap and shampoos and condition, head on over to Lotus Clock Tower Plaza upstairs. If I sound away guys, I am having the flu, or the cold rather, so sorry about the sound. Also here they have this over toilet organizer. This is for like $2,900, and this is great if you're if you have a small bathroom and you lack storage like my bathroom. So my bathroom, I don't have any storage like vanity or so I have to use these over my toilet. They have these dusters that you can use to dust like your windows and other corners in the home, and they have this little organizing hook. This is great to hang like your towels if you're a person that love to hang stuff when you're coming inside. This is a great thing that you can put at your doorway, spray paint it, give it a little vibe, and you can use that to organize. They have mattress cover, they have washing machine covers, and they have a lot of stuff here that things that you never really think that you need, they have it here. They have these hooks as well. These are great for like a kid's room if they want to hang certain small clothing or certain things. They have these small lights, so if you're a person that don't like to sleep in the dark like myself, you can use these lights. They have different floral arrangements here. These are colorful floral arrangement. I'm not seeing any neutral ones, just like this brown and beige one here. So if you're looking for some florals for your winter season coming up, or we're in fall now, you can come on and get some floral arrangement here. They have these pink color one, they have these light blue ones and green. So you can come on and check out Lotus if you're looking for some floral arrangement. Now, while standing here around this side, I saw these two lamps. This one is for $21,000 and this other one is for, let me check, this one $18,000. So if you're looking for a standing lamp for like a living room, you can come on and get it here. And not to mention curtains, they have a wide variety of curtains. They have curtains in different colors, and the prices start from like $1,950, $1,700. They have like $1,100, and they have them in wide variety of styles and colors. And below the curtains, they have these wallpapers. You know your girl love a wallpaper. Wallpaper can be used for so many things. It can be used to put on your tabletop. It can be used as a wall art, as I show you in previous videos. And if if you're looking for some pattern curtains, they have these lovely colored green ones here. They also have them in purple, so if you're looking for colors like the purple, you can get it. They also have blue curtain, the blue pattern. Here's the blue pattern one if you're searching for that. So if you're looking for some new window treatment for the fall or for the winter, or just to have to put down, you can come on and get it here. If you're looking for shower curtains and shower liners, you can get it here as well. They have shower liners in the fabric type, so you can come on and get these. Over here they have some throw from $2,150 up. These are great gifts that you can come on and purchase for some loved ones. It is a great gift for children as well. The winter is coming up, so these are great gifts that you can purchase. Over this section again, they have some other type of curtains that I have to show you. So if you're looking for black, beige, brown, some of these colors are hard to get, so you can get them here. They have bed sheet sets from like $2,500. They have them in plain and they have them in patterned as well. And if you're looking for some cushion covers, you can get your cushion covers here. These are different style and different design. I love cushion covers because they are easily to store. If you have a lot of cushions, those are hard to store if you're in a small space. Over this section, they have these type of printed one as well. So if you're looking for rods, you can get your curtain rods here. They have $1,700 for the large ones and $1,100 for the small ones. So if you're looking for some curtain rods for the Christmas, you can get it here at Lotus Clock Tower Plaza. Over this section, they have cushions. So if you're looking for cushions for your seating, you can get them here. They have them in different colors, very neutral colors as well, in gray. So if you're looking for some cushion seating, you can get it. This green one is not bad, and they have these flush looking one for like $1,100. If you're looking for pillows, they have their pillows here in like standard, queen size and double size, so you can get your rugs and other different type of seating cushions. They have so many wide variety here from $700 up. Look at the different colors. They are so beautiful. These are also great for children. So if you want them to not to sit in the sofa and just to play on the floor, they have a cushion to sit on the floor to play. They have 950 cushions as well in different colors. So if you are looking for cushions just to put your cushion covers over, you can get that as well. So guys, Lotus have so many items that you might love to check out. So ensure that you come on over and check out their rug section. They have these fur rugs, they have outdoor rugs, they have kitchen rugs, they have bedside rugs. There are so many rugs that they have available. So ensure you come on over and check out their rug section. Over this section, they have these lovely wall arts. These are some 3-piece gold wall arts that you can get here. They have these decorative mirrors. So if you're looking for some decorative mirrors for your living room, bedroom, or wherever you wish, you can get them here from like $3,500 up. This one here as well is a nice design one. You can come on and grab, and if you don't like the color, remember, just a little spray paint can work. So these are just a few of the mirrors that you can come on and get at Lotus. These styles aren't bad. If you like to change the color, as I said, just a little spray paint. If you're looking for wall arts, you can get wall arts here. They have different style wall arts. They have them in different design as well. So guys, if you're looking for some glam, what should I say, these shimmery shiny vase, $2,800. These are not really my style. If you're looking for some glittery stuff, they are here for you as well in different sizes. So guys, come on and get your stuff. if you're looking for lighting pieces, you can get them for like $1,750 up. You can get your candle holders, you can get your, these are like $1,550 as well. So as I mentioned, they have a wide variety of stuff. Make sure you head on over to Lotus to check them out. If you're looking for picture frames and pillows, as I mentioned, this is one of the pillow. This one is for $2,850. Bathroom mat sets are also available in different colors and patterns. So if you want some bathroom printed mat set, they are here for you. So guys, if you just want to go to somewhere where you think you can get a little of everything in the one place, you can just check out Lotus upstairs. If you're looking for children cartoon character bedding, they're here as well. Over this section, these are like some wine bottles. They have the decanter. Guys, come on and check these stuff out. They are lovely and the prices are right as well. These are great for decoration as well. So if you're looking for a more decorative piece, you can use these as decorative pieces. They have these lighting, LED strip lighting as well, that a lot of person put around their bed. They put them in their studio. For persons who do YouTube videos like myself, you would see these lighting as backdrops. So if you're looking for some lighting, you can get it here, like this crystal ball light here. You can get here at Lotus. They have different type of bulbs as well. They have music bulb, LED bulbs. So if you're looking for some different type of color lighting, you can get it here. Over this section, they have these clocks. Not a fan of these colored clocks, but if you're a person that love these type of clocks and colors, you can get this one as well, $3,500. Or if you know somebody that, or $3,150 actually. If you know someone that love these type of clocks, you can always purchase it as a gift for them this Christmas. So there are so many products here. If you're looking for lighting for the hurricane season, or just when you have power outage, they have these flashlights as well that you can come on and purchase. And if you're a person that have a car and just need a vacuum cleaner, not only for car purpose, but also vacuum cleaners are great, like when you throw your baking soda on your mattress and you want to vacuum that up. If you just want to vacuum the dust from your sofa, these are great items to have for the home. You know, we're heading out of summer now, but some places are still hot. So if you just want a portable fan, they have these fan here as well that you can carry with you just in case the time is very hot, just to cool you down. And if you want some extension cords, they have these items here as well. Over this section, they have more wall art pieces, and the prices are like almost $2,000, 3-piece set. So if you're searching for these type of mirrored stuff, you can get it here. Guys, I just want to say thank you for the support you have been giving me so far. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for commenting each week. I appreciate the support, guys, and I just want to say thank you. Over this section, if you're looking for kitchen utensils and kitchen towels, you can get those knickknacks here. So these like gray and white kitchen towel, I like the texture of it. The quality is not bad for $1,100. They have these drying mats as well. So like for persons that just want some drying mat, they have those here. Over this section, they have some kitchen towel, 3-piece smaller wash rags, and they also have covers for your pans. So they have these glass covers if you're a person searching for covers for your frying pan. You know, a lot of persons sell pots without covers, so if you're searching for stuff like that, you can get it here. So anything for the kitchen, like your funnel and stuff, you can get it here, guys. Thank you again for watching. See you on the next video. If you love this video, you will love the next playlist on screen. Come along with me. I hope you enjoy.